The payment process before Unaric was using the bank and direct debit. It was very clunky, very slow. The automation using Unaric and Salesforce has led to faster processing. Less staff members required, more efficiency, more accuracy. 6,500 clients paying us every month. That's a substantial amount of transactions coming through. Every transaction we make on a monthly basis is through using Salesforce and Unaric. It was a natural progression to embrace all of Unaric and GoCardless software to ensure that we could offer safe end-to-end encrypted payments. Unaric and GoCardless are the right partners to ensure our business grows, and together we're a stronger force.